Hey everyone, I got this to melt my chocolate. It comes with so many different things here. It all comes with its own mold and a grill too and a fondue sticks. Let's open it. You have these plastic molds. I'm really not fond of them, but it works for this. It's a star, little teddy bear mold. You can see that. Then you have a round mold, a heart, and different shapes. Have the moon, a little moon and a star. And you have Christmas tree. There you go. You have all these molds. These are all the fondue kits it comes with. Comes with the fondue picker. And there's a big heart one here. And that's the machine. I expected it to be a little bigger, but this is great. I can perfectly put on my counter and work with it. That's the container. That's enough to melt enough chocolate without wasting them. And I think that's perfect. It comes with the manual, how to use it, and a 1-year warranty and a free gift. That's nice. Plus 3-month extended warranty if you use this barcode to scan. Let's me quickly give it a rinse and I'll show you how I'm going to melt the chocolate. Oh, I see it's melting already. You can see at the bottom. I'm leaving it at level 2 and let's see how this works. Need the chocolate melting. Very nice. It's melting. It doesn't take that long to start the process. It does a pretty good job so far. If you're looking for something at this price point to melt chocolate, I would highly suggest this. It's a double boiler, so your chocolate burning is less, plus it has a temperature control. So I like that too. So I would highly recommend this if you want to have a fondue party or you're melting chocolates to make your own treats at home. This is a great product to use. Highly recommend this.